In 2006, a new American-style university was created to provide a comprehensive liberal arts education for students in Iraq and its Kurdistan region. The new university would develop strength in critical thinking, the ability to communicate well, a strong work ethic, good citizenship, and personal integrity. When AUIS opens its doors in 2007, it ushered in new courses and learning methodologies, together with a determination to help bridge sectarian divides. The new university provided a venue where the different geographic, cultural, and financial backgrounds of talented students from across Iraq and the region, and the diverse experiences of faculty from around the world would enhance student learning inside and outside the classroom. Today, our 1,300 students can major in any of a dozen subjects. In a first for Iraq, all of our students take core multidisciplinary courses that foster self-reliant thinking, creativity, familiarity with the great ideas of human tradition, and a greater knowledge of the world. As AUIS has expanded, so too have its extracurricular programs and activities. Many of our students engage in volunteering, community outreach, internships, athletics, and the creative arts. We are firmly committed to the ideal on which AUIS was founded, to educate talented young men and women from across Iraq and the region, providing a world-class education to students from all backgrounds, including Syrian refugees, internally displaced Iraqis, Yazidis and members of other minority communities, and recently, Afghan refugees. Nearly 20% of our students come from outside the Kurdistan region. AUIS's core values are freedom and responsibility, democracy, free expression and inquiry, equal opportunity, individual rights balanced by public responsibility, tolerance and honorable personal and professional behavior. The university's unique role as an institution that is non-governmental, nonpartisan, non-sectarian, independently governed, not-for-profit, and governed by the highest ethical standards, provides a beacon to all those who strive to create a secure and prosperous society in Iraq and its Kurdistan region.